A team of Churachandpur police led by OC N. Ingocha has arrested 3 persons along with huge consignment of contraband at around 7:40 p.m. of June 16 from Churachandpur. Acting on a tip-off, the team conducted an operation and detected 15 cartons containing 10,000 WY tablets each. The contraband totaling 1,50,000 worth around 75 lakhs were being transported in a silver color Alto car bearing registration number MH14BK585448. MD Wahidur Rahman, aged 47, son of late Taib Ali of Lilong, Tairen Makhong, his wife Sarita, aged 35, and MD Mujahid, aged 19, son of late MD Rafizuddin of Lilong, Hauraibi, Makhalikai, were arrested along with the car and 2 mobile handsets. Further, it came to light that one person, namely Asangbam Kishorjit Singh, aged 40, son of late A. Satyabanta Singh of Kesamthong, Ilangbam Lekai, who happens to be a Havaldar of 1st MR presently attached at Kakching District Commando, was escorting the above drug smugglers. He has also been arrested from Kudekpi area near Moirang Lamkai, and his Creta car bearing registration number MN04A5099 and a mobile phone were seized. A regular case has been registered against them for investigation.